Good evening, all. Can you hear me? Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hear me? Children, can you hear me? Hello, people, can you hear me? Can you hear me or not? I'm asking you only, children. So we were going with the quadratic equations. Do you want me to give few more questions on quadratic equations? Shall we solve few more questions on quadratic equation? Or is it fine with the questions whichever we have solved? But I don't think so. Like we have, yes, we have seen 2020 and 2021 paper only. But I feel 2019 question paper also. Let's get started. Then tomorrow we can go with the new topic, probably. What? Tell me, guys. Yes. Have you solved the questions? Have you solved yesterday's questions or not? At least have you tried solving? Whether you have solved or not, if you tell me, so that only I can move forward. I just asked you to solve till 36, I think. How many of you did? How many of you did, guys? Everyone solve 36th one? Solve the 36th one. What about Anjali? Anjali, why did you absent from many classes?
So yesterday I went outside to buy books, so I couldn't attend.
I think day before yesterday also you didn't attend.
Yes, sir, I went out to buy books, so I couldn't attend.
From past few days, we are going with class 11 topic only, which is quadratic equations. So don't think that we are going with what do you call class 12. I mean quadratic integration and so and so topic, which you do not know, so that I don't want to attend the classes. Don't think in that way. So the topic whichever we are discussing, everything you have to listen it. See, in fact, the integration
Yes, sir.
in fact integration that and all we will be discussing again. That is for sure. But your seniors are going to write exam. I told the reason. Okay. Please try to attend all the classes. What about diarrhea? Have you solved the questions yesterday I gave you? At least have you tried? I don't know why. How many questions you did? Only one question. How many question I asked you to do? I just asked you to solve almost like 8 questions something. See, I need your sincere effort, beta. At least if you try to solve at least few questions, which would be a really good thing. You don't respond in the class. What about you don't solve the questions? I don't know why. I'm telling each and everyone here, not only Dhairya. What about Shadik? Muhammad Jafar Shadik. Muhammad, tell me, Jafar. Jafar जी बताइए, why did you solve? And what about Prashant? Prashant, have you tried Prashant?
No, sir.
Why Prashant? Why?
Sir, I'm preparing for IP board exam, sir.
Sorry?
IP for board exam, sir. I'm preparing for.
You're preparing for board exams. Okay. Okay, solve these questions. Let P and Q are belongs to rational numbers, so real numbers. 2 minus root 3 is the root of the quadratic equation. Then which of the following is correct? Quite simple question. Look at this here. This is a root of this equation. Root is nothing but what, beta? In place of x, I will be substituting that particular value. Okay. See, it is a one root. Another root is going to be what? In quadratic equation, whenever you better look at this here, if one root is given to you, this is one root. Another root is going to be this one. Okay. Since this is the root of the quadratic equation given to you, this one, then 2 plus root 3 is going to be other root. Okay. Yes. So now look at this here. X square. Let me write directly. X square plus px is equal to q. So x square plus px plus q is equal. What is that? X minus 2 root 3 into x into 1 second into x minus 2 plus root 3. Correct? So simplify कीजिए. X square minus 2 plus root 3x minus 2 minus root 3x plus what happened? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. This. So x square minus 2x minus root 3x minus 2x plus root 3x plus 4 minus 3. Correct? So simplify this. This will get cancelled. So x square minus 2x, right? So 4x plus 1. Okay. Now look at this here. I'm just comparing. Compare both sides. By comparing, what is the p and q value? By comparing, p value is going to be minus 4 and q value is going to be 1. So substitute there. So option is going to be what? Which option is going to be correct? Option 4 is correct. So p square minus 4q minus 12. So how much? P square is nothing but 16 minus 4 into 1, 4 minus 12. चेक कर लो, देखो 0 मिल रहा है, तो ऑप्शन, which option is correct? Option D is correct. See, substitute beta, which no option will be satisfying to you except D option. This will not possible, this will not possible, this will not possible. So option D is correct. So that is how you solve that. Next question. Try to have a proper look at the question. And 37th question is what? 37th question homework. Please take this question. Very simple. Next, 38th question is a very, very wonderful question. 38th question. 38th question. Look at this. Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. This, then this one is what? Pick. What's the answer? Quick. Then what is the answer? T. Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation given to you, and theta lies between 0 to 90. Then alpha to the power of 12 plus beta to the power of 12 and divided by alpha to the power minus 12 plus beta to the power minus into alpha minus beta to the power 24 is what? Okay. Simplifying. Very simple question. T. Write the given equation. What is the given equation to you? X square plus x sine theta minus 2 sine theta is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. So sum of the roots is what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is nothing but minus sine theta. That's it. Alpha beta is what? Minus 2 sine theta. C by a. Right? A is what? 1 here. So even you write 1, A is 1. So yeah, now we solve it. Make it fast. Very simple. What happened? I don't find. Didn't you find the answer? Alpha 12 plus beta to the power of 12. So divided by alpha to the power of is nothing but 1 by alpha to the power of 12 plus 1 by beta to the power of 12 into alpha minus beta to the power of 24. So alpha to the power of 12 plus beta to the power of 12 divided by alpha to the power of 12. Oh, 1 second. Alpha to the power of 12 plus beta to the power of 12 divided by alpha 12 alpha to the power of 12 into beta to the power of 12, like this, after taking LCM, into alpha minus beta to the power of 24. Okay, this is what he was given. So solve this. No, he said this. Yes. Alpha to the power of 12 plus beta to the power of 12, it will be reciprocating. This is what you will be getting. That divided by alpha to the power of 12 beta to the power of 12 into alpha minus beta to the power of 24. Okay, so now think. So if I can cancel these two now. Okay, what I left with now, alpha beta to the power of 12 divided by alpha minus beta to the power of 24. Okay, yes, 1 second. Yeah. So guys, if you look at this, alpha minus beta is going to be what? Alpha minus beta whole square is what? This can be written as what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 times of alpha beta. So alpha minus beta is what? Square root of alpha plus, sorry, alpha plus alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is what? Sine square theta plus 4 alpha beta is what? 2, I think, minus it minus plus. So 8 sine theta. Guys, I'm doing what I'm doing here. I just substituted alpha plus beta and alpha beta values. So yes, this is my alpha minus beta value. Okay, alpha minus beta value. So now look at this here. Just substitute here. Substitute here. Continue this. So is equal to alpha beta is 2 sine theta to the power of 12 whole divided by alpha beta is what? Square root of, this can be written as in fact sine square theta plus 8 sine theta whole to the power of 1 by 2. That is what I will be writing here. Sine square theta plus 8 sine theta whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 24 we have here. So you get what? 2 sine theta whole to the power of 12 divided by sine square theta plus 8 sine theta to the power of 12. Correct? 2 ones, 2 12s here. Okay. Next, what can I do here? 1 second. Yeah. So here, if you write it as 2 to the power of 12 into sine theta to the power of 12 whole divided by sine square. So can I take sine to the power of 12 common here? Sine to the power of 12 theta. How? How can I take common? Look at this here. If you think sine theta common inside, so sine theta plus 8 to the power of 12, like this. So 2 to the power of 12 into sine theta to the power of 12 divided by sine theta to the power of 12. If I write it properly, look at this here. Sine theta to the power of 12 into sine theta plus 8 to the power of 12, so that I can cancel these two now. So what I'm going to left with now, this is what my answer is going to be. I think option is available on this. 2 to the power of 12 something you have. Where it is 2 to the power of 12. Oh, everywhere we have. Sine theta plus what I got? Sine theta plus 8. Sine theta plus 8. Sine theta plus 8. Option B is correct. So not possible, not possible, not possible. Option D is correct. Option B is correct. B for Bombay. Second option is correct. So that is how you solve beta. See, I'm explaining you, that is the reason it takes much time. If you solve with a pen and paper, you can solve it very fastly actually. On the on writing part it goes somewhat slow. Okay, next. Next, everyone solve this GP question. Everyone solve this question. If A, B, and C are three distinct numbers, real numbers in GP, and A plus B plus C is equal to XB, then X cannot be what? Pick. After 9 minutes, you have to join again. ABC are in GP beta. ABC are in GP. What is the condition? Let me tell you. If A comma B comma C are in GP, the condition is what? Square of middle term is equal to product of the extremes. Square is equal to AC. Make it fast. What is the answer? See, A, B, C are three distinct real numbers in GP. Now for GP, the condition is B square is equal to AC as per the sequence and series. This is the condition we will be knowing, right? This is the condition we know actually, right? So now here what he has given here, A plus B plus C is equal to XB, right? A plus B plus C is equal to XB, correct? Now here A plus C can be written as what? X minus 1 into B, right? So B, let me share here. xp minus b, a plus c is equal taking b common, so x minus 1. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So if I do squaring on both sides, what are you going to left? A square plus b square plus 2 times of ac is equal b square into a square plus, or else you write it as it is, x minus 1 whole square. Correct? B square is equal to what we know? B square is equal to AC, right? From the condition, look at this here, B square, let us take this as 1. Okay, B square is equal to AC from the equation number 1. So AC into x minus 1 whole square, correct? So A square plus C square, this can be written as what? A square plus C square plus x minus 1 whole square into AC minus 2 times of AC, correct? So A square plus C square is equal, taking AC common over here, x minus 1 whole square minus 2, correct? Yes. So now this can be written as A square plus C square is equal AC into A square plus B square minus 2x minus 2, right? A square plus C square is equal to AC x square minus 2x minus 1. This is what I just left with. Okay, what he is asking us? The x cannot be what? X shouldn't be what? Now beta, look at this is positive. Whatever the number you substitute in place of a square, a value and c value, it will be always positive, since a square plus c square you have, correct? It is always positive. Okay. Now what about this? This is positive. This is positive for x value what? 2. If you substitute x value 1, what happens? It will be negative. For x value minus, x value 1, it will be negative, correct? It will be negative. For x value positive, x value 2, it is positive, correct? Positive or negative of 4 minus 4, no, negative. For 2 also negative beta. For x value 2 also negative only, correct? Next, what he is asking for, x cannot be. So look at this here, x cannot be is what? So minus 2 given, 3 minus 3 given, 4 given. I think option D is correct here. X cannot be 2. For that, x cannot be 2 beta. X cannot be 2 here. So x can be minus 2. X can be minus 2 here. 4 it can be, minus 3 it can be, but it shouldn't be 2 actually. Okay, it shouldn't be 2. So option D is correct. Why it shouldn't be 2? Why it shouldn't be 2? Tell me. For 2 it is giving me negative beta. So if x can be minus 3 here, x can be 2 here, minus 2 here, x can be 4 here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, 4. So substitute all these values. So x minus 3 if you substitute, so what is going to get? So 9 plus 6 minus 2. So look at it, positive I'm getting. Here positive. Minus 2 substitute, 4 plus 4. Yes, here also positive. 4, 16 minus 8. It is also positive. So for x is equal to 2 allowed, I am getting negative. So 2 cannot be my value. Given from the given option, x is equal to 2. For this positive, 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 I am getting negative. So x cannot